I'm Will Ryan from Will Ryan Vlogs, and right now you're watching Benji's channel.
Good morning, guys, and today is May 18, 2017, 10 a.m. May 2 hours na naman tayong mag-film. So this is my third day, 1 week daily upload challenge yun Kung matapos ko to, may 4 na araw na lang. Tutulungan nyo ako. Please like and subscribe. So dumating na kahapon tong please comment below, guys, kung anong tawag nito. Nakalimutan ko. Dead cut kasi yung nasa isip ko, dead cut. So pupunta tayo ulit sa labas. Magfi-film tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin ngayong araw na to. So it's my third day. Let's go! Sabi ng lalaki, nag-YouTube daw. Para daw sa YouTube. Of course. So, ayun, guys. So, siguro, maraming nagtatanong bakit ako nagbablog. Nagbablog ako dahil gusto kong ma-enhance pa yung editing skills ko. Gusto ko pang matuto ng kung paano mag-edit talaga. And, yun, gusto kong sounds like ibon pala. So nagbablog ako dahil hey, how are you? Good. No school today?
Nope, school till Tuesday.
Oh yeah, I'm vlogging. Look who's that. See you, man. Yeah, see ya. Yeah. So that's naintirap ako dun. So that's one of my subscriber. Kapitbahay lang pala namin. Canadian siya. Ang hilig niya is hilig siya mag longboard. Longboard naman sa kanya. So ayun. Bakit balik tayo sa topic. Gusto ko pang matuto about cameras settings kasi I'm only using automatic mode pag nagvo-vlog. To have more friends kasi maraming kagaya ko na mahilig din sa vlogging, mahilig sa video dito sa YouTube. Kaya yun, gusto ko lang i-share kung ano yung life ko dito. So the future, hanggang nandito si YouTube, makikita ko pa rin yung mapapanood ko pa rin yung mga videos ko. So andito ako ngayon sa skate park with these kids over here. Skate park nga ba? Yeah, skateboard park. Nandito ako. So, pahinga lang kundi kasi napagod ako. Hey, Siobhan!
Hi.
You're playing that game?
Yeah. What's your YouTube channel?
You guys YouTuber too?
What's your YouTube channel?
Benji Pagulong.
Ben J.
You have a phone?
Yeah.
See, I have 1 subscriber.
1 subscriber?
I have 700 something. What's your name?
I'm Jaden.
Oh, Jaden.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's asking about my YouTube channel.
Yeah. So
Benji.
I need Wi-Fi for this.
Oh, you need Wi-Fi. So
Yeah.
just save it. Invite them to your channel.
Okay. So just take it out.
What's your name, buddy?
Jonathan.
You have a YouTube channel?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet, man.
So Jaden.
I'm vlogging his vlog. Right. That's how you make friends, guys.
Sweet. Okay, you go first.
Okay. So.
So I have to say goodbye to my new friends.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for having me too.
Problem. Hey, watch his channel. He's a good guy, and he
Yeah.
makes good videos.
Yeah. Just make sure to like and subscribe.
And comment
Yeah.
down below on what you think of him.
Yeah. Peace.